Hello everyone, Yvonne Marie, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited because my Colorado Craft Company Trove package came. It's so amazing. I don't know if you've seen it. Back in April you could order a box and it was about $50 and you can get so much. So I'm so excited, and it did take a little bit to get here, but here it is. So this one is kind words, and I'm gonna kind of just let's kind of just go low here so that I don't give you glare. And I love this bee set. It says, humble and kind, I miss you, my sweet friend. Life is the flower for which love is the honey. That's by Victor Hugo. And then you got save, I don't know, maybe save the bees. Kind words are like honey, the bees, and then you get these hexagon, and the hum of bees is the voice of your garden. So beautiful. And this one's called Honeybee, so that one is amazing. I do have You Are Amazing, Mermazing actually, Mermazing Mini. This one has the die and it's somewhere in here. But you get the tail, the whale, the mermaid tail, and all these sea shells, and so Mermazing Mini. So we'll put that to the side because I'm not sure where I put that. And then you have this grapes stamp. Look how large these are, and can you imagine, like, once you see everything you're gonna be like, whoa, $50. So hopefully you were able to get one of these. I know I do have a friend still waiting for hers to ship, so I just got mine yesterday, the grapevine, and I did message them because I was worried I hadn't received it. My friend Vanessa received hers last week. I love that these cut the sentiments out. And so anyways, it's here. Congratulations are in order. Happy birthday. You're a year older and lovely as ever. Well done. I heard it through the grapevine. Get well soon. That you've been feeling under the weather. So you can put these together, and I love that it has the dies to cut those words out. Since I'm on a Christmas team, I'm so excited for some of these Christmas stamps that are in here. So we have like happy birthday, and it's from Frosty the Snowman. To you and yours. I love that. It's just, love how illustrated these images are. Look at that poinsettia. Got Merry Christmas, believe in the magic of Christmas, happy holidays. And we got Frosty's hat here. This one says, it's not easy being a princess, but hey, if the shoe fits. And look how cute. I love how that mouse is colored up. Thinking of you, and I love that you get the definition like it's a dictionary. Is so amazing. Sending you happy thoughts, thinking of you today. You can use that in your planner. This one is another lovely legs, and I just love this because it's another Christmas one. You can color these trees. I think it's trees. To you and yours. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Merry Christmas, season's greetings, however you want to say it. It's called Seasons Girl Winter Poinsettias. So then you got this, it's called a bee welly. So I think that's awesome. I love this. Maybe it could work for my inspired by challenge one day. I love this cute little cat, and these mice are so cute. You do have some fun language here. I don't know if it's French, but good food and good friends. Bon appetit. Let's share both soon. So cute. And you got it colored up there, so I love that. And this one's called Bon Appetit. You do get this die and stamp here. So amazing. So look how pretty this is. You got a happy anniversary, happy birthday life. You got a butterfly, Easter. So it's just gorgeous. And you do have it colored up here. So pretty. I love this. It looks like, I don't know, like blueberries or something. So pretty. And again, I love how those words cut everything out. Look at this cute doggy. I love this. Kind of looks, reminds me of the pattern paper from Not Too Shabby Paper Pad Club. Look at this quilt, bedspread maybe. If my dog has taught me anything, it's that the more naps, the better. Nap away. And look how it's colored up. Oh my gosh, this might take me days to color, but I love it. You got this Father's Day one. This reminds me so much of my father-in-law. Happy Father's Day. I did make him a Father's Day card, but I just might have to switch it out and make a new one. I love you, Dad. I love you, Daddy. You're a blessing in my life. You're rocking fatherhood. And I couldn't be more thankful. And you have it colored up here. So cute. I love this snowman one. I think my friend Vanessa has this one, and I just love it. Look how cute and adorable. Wee! Best sledding ever. Definitely up to snow good. And it's that Anita Joram. And so cute. I love how it's colored up. Takes up a whole A2 panel. Okay, so we have a lot to go. So this is such a fun one. You could do a slimline, you can cut it, and you still can do like 2 A2 cards here if you cut it in half. I mean, not cut it in half, but you know, mask it. Or just don't ink up the other side as you're stamping. And may your days be filled with magic and cheer. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love magic and cheer. And perfect for my Christmas team. So, and I love that. Yeah, Merry Christmas to you and yours. Season's greetings to you and yours. However you want to write it. Different fonts there. You have this fun cocktail image or scenery here. So fun. And it's a New Year's one. Let's make merriment. Be merry. May your New Year be just one big happy smile after another. I love that. So you have that cutie there. You could just do that one. So I love that you can do smaller images for your A2 panels if you'd like. So this has got to be one of my favorites. I love coloring girls. I love fairies. She's so cute. She must be like a bee fairy. I love the dies. Oh my gosh, look at these dies. You even have one for the bow. And you have this cute little oval, which you can put it on the jar and put honey. This is just so cute. I love it. I can't wait to use this one real soon. Let me see. You get a pin, and it's so cute. I collect pins, so I'm excited to put this on my board. I'll have to share that with you one day. Okay, this pineapple is so good. I can't wait to watercolor it. I'm going to throw all kinds of colors in there. You have these sliced watermelon. I mean watermelon. It could be watermelon, but it's pineapple. Vibes, good vibes only. Aloha. I do have some watermelon. Why do I keep saying that? I do have pineapple in the fridge, so maybe I'll have some for lunch. Sending you good vibes today. Love that. This is those big and bold sets. So here is that die that I couldn't find earlier, that Mermazing mini. Here is the gnome. So cute. How cute are those clothes hanging up? I love that. You can even make this a baby card. It kind of looks like it. I love this big, I do have some sets, I think, with mushroom houses from them, so that's awesome. And you got a friend like Gnome Mother, sweet, Gnome Sweet Gnome, and come for a visit. So I better hurry, I'm taking a while, but I can't help it, it's so much cute. And look at how this just cuts out those little pieces. So good. Isn't this a beautiful stamp? And I told you this was like $50 plus shipping. So all of this. So I couldn't beat it. So next time you see an email um, go for it. There was 2 of them, so 1 and 2, and this is Treasure Trove 2. So cute, I love that mouse. Let's Go Fly a Kite, and this one looks like it's for a wedding. Kissing the the toad or the frog, however, I think it's a toad, but yeah. Like the fairy tale, Happily Ever After, so cute. And then you have this die set. I love this, how fun to color this and invite someone over. I love that. You can even make a smaller card because you have the die to cut those little pieces. You have it to cut out the words. I love this sentiment. You're the cheese to my crackers. So, so good. Okay, so let's move these over. Okay. Wow, right? Let's move those over. And I have a few left. So we have this cute little like Cinderella type. It's so cute, or the way it's illustrated, and this is by Audrey Hepburn. If I'm honest, I have to tell you, I still read fairy tales and I like them best of all, right? That's so amazing. Magic, yes please. If I got to pick our own fairy godmother, if we got to pick our own fairy godmother, I'd pick you. So, so, so sweet. Believe in yourself. Your once upon a time is now. So you have, I don't have the dies to that one, but that's okay. And I love these frames. So really, really pretty. And you have sentiments to go inside them. Wall words. I love girls images. I love Angie Bloom's stamps, and I love these ones without faces as well. These are the lovely legs, and that looks like something I do. This is like something I'd wear. So I love it. So uh-oh, and you got this, girl, and you don't have to be perfect to be amazing, and it's okay to have a bad day. Tomorrow will be here before you know it. So I love that. And then you don't have to be perfect to be amazing is just so, so wonderful. I love this one because you got the mustache. Good for masculine cards as well. So that one is Old Chap Birthday. You have a wedding one. Look how much coloring this will be, but so fun. Just take your time and color a little bit here and there, and then so, so good. You can even do a smaller card with just this, or the little flower girl. Look how cute. I love that tree image. There's Love, Laughter, and Happily Ever After. So, so, so pretty, and it gives you a little, so you can do just a little bit if you want. And that one, I love that you get little references like that. Some smaller ones here. I love this dog. Play ball. I love this cutie too. I have this one, so I might be giving this one away during my Christmas Linky party. I mean, it's not my Christmas Linky party, but my team, so we'll see. And then this one is for like all the moms. You got Nana, which my kids call my mother-in-law Nana, so for mom names, so I love that. You got Sister. Another a Christmas one here, Merry Bright Minnie. Got this cute little baby one, and you get the dies here, and I just went to a baby shower, so that would have been super cute. So adorable. So this is my unboxing, so I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for joining me today, and have a wonderful day. Now to put all this away.